Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share something really interesting with you. The hidden magic of the number 9. Get ready because once you learn this trick, you will never look at the number 9 the same way again. Main trick with examples. Here the amazing fact: whenever you multiply any number by 9, the digit of answer will always add up to 9. Let me show you step by step. 9 times 2 equal to 18. If you add the digit 1 and 8, 1 plus 8 equal to 9. Next, 9 3s are 27. When you add 2 plus 7 equal to 9. Same like this, 9 5 times 45, and you add 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Same like 9 multiply 9 equal to 81. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. And guess what? This works for bigger number too. For example, bigger example. Let's try on a larger one. 9 times 11 equal to 99. And now add the digit 9 plus 9 equal to 9 plus 9 equal to 18. If we add again 1, plus 8 equals to 9. See, the magic continues. And 1 plus 1 plus 8 equal to 9. Why it's feel magic? This happens because 9 has a special property in mathematics. Every multiple of 9 when reduced to a single digit always come back to 9. That's why it's called the mystical number. So next time you see the number 9, remember this little magic trick. Math is not just about numbers. It's full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. If you enjoy this fun fact, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing math tricks. See you in the next video.